In mindful relations, a practical habit emerges, a 5-second check-in after a heated moment to reset the conversation. When tension rises, a calm, "I hear you" statement opens space for accuracy and slows the impulse to blame. Real-life example, a couple in a kitchen paused, heard each other say, "I felt overwhelmed," and suggested a joint plan instead of accusations. Numbing emotions reduces defensiveness, helps partners focus on needs, and turns a conflict into a collaboration moment. The tip travels well with practice, quick check-ins daily, and a commitment to keep statements short and specific.